What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Xavier. Don't say the date. You ain't part of the gang, man. On flow now. So check it, man. We back. We fucking back, man, on my gang. Look, check it. I know I've been missing. I don't want to hear about none of that shit. I know I've been missing. Nigga been busy. I just had a son. I have to take care of my son, taking care of my damn, my business, my house, working job, you feel me, full time. Look, I do this shit in spare time. But I'm back with some bangers. So I'm gonna try to get back consistent. I know it's been about a couple months, or probably more than that, since I posted. So we're gonna start off with the first banger by dropping a video on the one and only Springfield. And what type of Springfield we talking about? We're just gonna get into it, you hear me? Springfield Armory. This is how the box look like when you open it up. Come with a little soft case. Got little words right there, Springfield Armory. Defend your legacy. Open this thing, I'm gonna take that up out of there. So, if y'all wondering what Springfield is, because most Springfields come with the same little soft carrying case, same box. I'm gonna show y'all what Springfield is. It is a 1911 DS. If you don't know what that means, it's a 1911 double stack, which means this is boom, Springfield Armory DS Prodigy 1911. Yeah, see, I got the O-light on there. I don't want to hear no shit about nobody on this O-light, man. It's my gun, I choose to put what I want on it. I'm not even running it on there for real. But it was just something to give y'all some eye candy. I know y'all gonna want to say something in the comments. Ooh. It's smooth. I've had this gun for a while, man. I'm a little past the 500 round mark on this, and I worked all the kinks out. This is the 4 1/4. It comes with one 17 round mag. I'm gonna put that to the side, and also inside the box, where it's down here, it says accessories. There is Springfield Armory lock, and also a 20 round mag. Yes, sir. That's what I was looking for. Yes, sir. We're gonna put that in there, show you how that looks. There. 20 round mag in there. Yes, sir. 20 round mag in that, man. Other side. Springfield Armory DS Prodigy 1911 double stack. As you guys know, this is basically a 2011 Springfield version of the 2011. Technically, they can't call it a 2011 because the company STI, well, the company Staccato, formerly known as STI, they changed their name because they didn't want to be affiliated with sexually transmitted disease. But this is Springfield version of a 2011. But legally, they couldn't call it a 2011. I've seen a lot of reviews of people on this pistol saying it had feeding issues, it had failure to feed. It was just too much you had to do to get the gun running reliable. I had the gun out of about 500 rounds. I had maybe between 10 to 15 misfeeds, and they weren't even really misfeeds. They were failure to go into battery. So I had to bump the slide, like, I shoot it, and the slide stay back like this. And then you have to bump the slide forward, and then you can continue to shoot. But, being me, I work on my tap rack technique. I'm so used to doing it, so. But, it didn't really bother me as much. But I did get around I say 200-300 range. I stopped having misfeeds and all that. What else? It comes with 2 mags. It comes with 120 round, 117 round. It also come optic. It come optic ready. So it's a plate right here on the top of the firearm. Take those 2 screws out there, and then they have a optic system with agency arms. I think it's agency arms. Don't quote me on that. I think it's agency arms, and that'll allow you to mount a trench con, RMR, whatever optic or pistol red dot you want. It also comes with an adapter plate. I already opened it up. It comes with an adapter plate that's got the little suppressor height sights on there so you can co-witness whatever optic you want to run. But yeah, it ships with the plate that's fitted for the I think it's the Vortex Venom, the Boris Firefly, and the Hex Dragonfly optic that Springfield makes. They did it to push their optic. I'm gonna say that. Springfield, what the fuck is the plates, man? We need our plates. I got a Hollison 508T that I was looking to run on this thing, man. Hollison 508T to run on this thing, but don't have the optic plate. Like they say that I bought the gun back. I bought the gun back in September 16th. It came out September 1st. I bought it back in September 16th, and then they said the optic plates will be shipping on October or somewhere in October. Through the whole month of October. No plate. It is currently November 2nd. No plate. They recently updated their site and let all the customers know that their plates will be shipping out December 2022. So you went from October all the way to December 2022. Poor customer service on your end, man. It also makes me not want to shoot the gun. You know, this type of gun, I would want to run a red dot on it. You know, this it got the bull barrel in it. This is basically the poor man's staccato. I said it. I'm not comparing it to the staccato, but this is the poor man's staccato. It's like the obtainable staccato for the poor man. But with all the work you'll have to do this, if you get the 5-inch version, you'll have to change out the recoil spring so you don't have none of them failure to go into battery. And with you trying to upgrade the internals, the different type of strikers, and the different type of internals and everything that you want to upgrade, you might as well sell the gun and actually buy a staccato and add, sell the gun and add about $300-400 and buy a staccato yourself. So Springfield, you need to step the game up, man. I feel like the pistol was rushed. But I love my Prodigy. I love it. I even carry this thing sometimes. It's butter. Slide is very butter. When I first got it, it was a little stiff. But this is a 1911, so most 1911s need a break-in period. I got it through about 1,500 rounds, and I said 1,500 rounds, 500 rounds in that area, close or a little more. But since it's been running fine. But I tend not to like to take it to the range. I can shoot it with iron sights, but I feel this pistol will have much more potential if you put a red dot on it. And we're moving into a new age where everything is going to red dots and everything. And I feel this is one of the pistols of the future, man. So let us put a red dot on it already, Springfield. Release them plates, man. Come with a bull barrel. It also comes with, if you can see here in the front, it comes with a guide rod that you need a tool to take down. It comes with the tool. Here it is. You got the two tools, one for the sight, and the other one is for the takedown. You could have just threw a toolless guy right in there. But understand you were cutting a lot of corners to make this thing affordable, yet something reliable. So can't complain there. Skeletonized trigger, skeletonized hammer, plus there, looks great. Forward and rear cock insertions. So for those people who like to press check, or in the rear, no. What else? Come with a single accessory rail. I'm gonna remove the old light. I know y'all crying in the comments right now telling me to take that off, but one single rail. You see it says Springfield there on that side, and it has the Prodigy on this side. Has ambi safety. This is a single action only pistol. There is no decocker. It also has a loaded chamber indicator. What else? Green fiber optic sights. Fiber optic front sights, and then you got the blacked out rear, which is serrated, so it don't pick up any glare. Got the DS right there on the bottom on the front by the rail, letting you know that this is their double stack version. Man, that thing is butter. Just really racking it with 2 fingers. I heard a lot of people were changing out their springs in this. I chose to ride it out, man. I'm gonna go ahead and let it be stock as long as possible. The idea of buying a gun like this, you want to buy a gun and you want it to run straight out of the box. Come on, Springfield. That's all we wanted from you guys. Like, if I compare it to gun 50, which I know I didn't do the safety checkup on the Prodigy. I'll do that now, guys, so you don't beat me up in the comments. Also, and the mag, and the chamber. Yeah. What I love is the Springfield Hellcat sights on the Springfield Emissary. Great gun, by the way. This is a 45 chamber, 45 ACP with an 8 round. Yeah, I keep the thing oiled, man. But yeah, back to the Prodigy. Yeah, this is a dope gun, man. I love it. I don't think I would be getting rid of it no time soon. I did get rid of a couple firearms out of my collection since I made the last couple of videos. I got a lot of videos stacked up that I've been recording. I have been recording, it's just I've been lazy and not editing and dropping the videos. So I'm gonna try my best to keep the videos in order as I release them. But yeah, Springfield Prodigy. What else? It got a little undercut. The texture, it's like in between the sandpaper texture and the handle grip texture. So it's not too aggressive, but it's not too you know the words I'm looking for. It's not too aggressive. Yeah. Single action only. What else did I think? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, the Springfield Prodigy, chambered 9mm. Yeah, and yeah, that is the Springfield Prodigy.